The developing feathers of birds, like developing scales of reptiles, are primarily epidermal structures, unlike the scales of fish, which have a bony dermal portion. The dermis of scales and feathers is important in the follicle region and contributes blood vessels, but the scale of reptiles and the feather of birds is primarily produced by the epithelia of the epidermis. It is keratinized and is dead. It is non-vascular and lacks a nerve supply, being composed of dead interlocked epithelial cells. In a developing feather bud, which only forms in specific feather tracts along the body of the developing bird, the epidermis invaginates and encloses a cylindrical dermal portion which includes the blood vessels, which will supply the oxygen and nutrients for the developing feather. The epidermis will then produce the keratinized cells which will make up the feather. Note that while the skin can form scales, as on the legs of birds, or feathers, it cannot form both. These buds develop into either scales or feathers. Also note that like reptiles, glands are rare, while birds may possess glands, like the uropygial gland on the tail, which produces oils for preening feathers, and possible salt glands on the head. Birds lack the common integumentary glands found in mammals.